fall asleep last night.
I was up until like 4.
I was up until like 5.
You know what? It's not a competition.
I know, I'm just saying.
Look at it.
Well, then, you know what? Neither one of you are allowed to sleep in the other one's room anymore.
No, I think it was like, it was because of all the damage. I mean,
You didn't know about damage. We didn't know about it. Huh?
what do you know?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you couldn't sleep because of the umbrella being sideways.
Armageddon.
Huh?
Armageddon. I don't know. Damage. Look at it. That was over 110 years old, okay? And a storm. The storm that we had on July 7th to 8th in the morning.
It was before midnight.
It was, okay, fine. So, on July 7th, 2011, this knocked down. The wind from it knocked down a 110-year-old tree. You can see it. It's huge. It's in like 5 yards, I think, or 4 or 5 yards. Squished everything. I'm glad it didn't land on the houses. Yeah. Very dangerous. It's sort of unreal. Used to be there, now it's there. This is my house, so it landed that way, which is one of the best ways it could have landed, that way or our way. If it had landed in our yard, it would have been better. Because if it had fallen, if it had fallen that way, it would have hit all these houses. And if it had fallen that way, it would have hit all those houses. Yeah.
Well, last time it was raining in the ground, so it wouldn't have...
I've always been scared of it falling over.
I've been afraid of it hitting our house.
Yeah.
I know.
Well, if it had fallen diagonally, it could have.
These trees smaller, but Dad never went up to trim them.
Yeah. It's sort of unreal.
Well, think of this one.
Thanks for watching. Bye.